Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine and welcome my YouTube channel. Let's start this topic. High net worth tax strategies for 2025 and essential planning guide. So as your income increase over time, so can your tax exposure if you have not taken step to the minimize your tax burden, you could be missing out on the significant wealth building opportunities, especially if you have highly net worth investors. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to help minimize your tax liabilities and pressure your assistance. With the 2025 birding important change including a $90,000 annual gift tax, the exclusion and a $108,000 qualified the credibles deductions limit the final month of the year offer valuable opportunities for year and tax planning. Your wealth manager can help you to implement the following high net worth tax strategies to help lower your exposure and the minimize wealth preservation. So strategies tax laws to reduce capital gains. High net worth investor may potentially face high capital gains tax exposure, which could impact their long-term investor return. Tax loss harvesting is a powerful tax planning strategy that can help offset this exposure by allowing you to look in losses and use those losses to offset gains. Alisa, where in your the investment portfolio by selling assets that have the declined in the short term and replacing those investment with highly correlated alternative. Your risk reward profile remains unchanged, yet the realized investment losses generate a tax deduction that can help you save a taxes by the reinvesting the tax saving. You can continue growing the value of your tax efficient portfolio over time. How tax loss harvesting works for wealth investor. The RS allows taxpayers to use realized capital losses to offset capital gains. If your losses exceed your gains, you can deduct up to $3,000 from our ordinary income. Any additional losses can be carried forward to use as a deduction in future year, creating ongoing tax saving opportunities. So tax losses harvesting can also help high income earn reduce their the exposure to the 3.8% net investment income tax that applies to investment income above certain thresholds for married couples filing jointly. It applies with the modified adjustment gross income exceeds $250,000, making the strategic loss harvesting particular value for the wealth families. Avoiding the wash sale rule when using a tax loss harvesting strategy, it's important to avoid the RS wash sale rule intended to prevent investors from selling as a loose slowly to obtain a tax deductions. This rule is a triggered when you sell an investment as a loose and person change substantially identical security within 30 days before or after the sale. You may also trigger a voice sale if your spouse or a company you control purchase a substantially identical security during the same 30 days period. If you trigger the wash sale rules, the investment lose one would not qualify to tax deductions. In addition to the wholesale rules, there are other complexities associated with tax loss harvesting, which are why it's wise to seek the support of qualified wealth manager house specialize in high net worth tax strategies maximizes credible impact while reducing tax exposure. If your financial goals include spotting criticalities that are near and dear to you, the following critical giving strategies can help minimize your impact while also reducing your tax exposure. Do nothing appreciated securities for tax efficiency. While cash is the most common way to donate to charities, it's not always the most efficient for high net worth investor. If you have a appreciated shock bonds or mutual funds, you may be able to maximize your credible impact by making an in kind donation, assuming you have held the security for at least a year. You can transfer share to a charity of your choice and claim the security fair market value as a tax deductions on your itemized tax return. Because creditors are tax exempt, the organization can then sell the security without paying taxes. The direct in kind donation allows you to avoid triggering a taxable event, which means you have not subjected to capital gains taxes, and you have then able to the repurchase the share without triggering the wash sell rules, doing to provide the added benefit of owning the same shares at the higher cost basis, which can help minimize your future tax exposure when you eventually sell the securities. This critical giving strategies is the particular valuable for wealth investor holding highly appreciated positions that would otherwise generate substantial capital gains tax liabilities. Establishing a donor advice fund of strategic giving. A donor advice fund is a credible giving because that accept irrevocable credible donation, hold them in a tax exempt state for future use, and the distributes the Distribute the asset to credits or overtimes according to your instruction. Plus you have able to receive a tax deductions on your itemized return during the year in which you are contribute to the DF. You can contribute as often as you like, and you maintain full control over how and when the assets are donated to the charities. Contributing to a donor advice account can be a particularly effective tax strategies during years in which your income is higher than normal, because you can make a single large donation of cash stock on other assets to reduce your taxable income. You can then distribute those assets to creditize over time. Thank you for watching this video.